Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. Today I'm going to introduce Nihongo numbers in hundreds, thousands, and millions. From my previous tutorial, I've introduced counting numbers from 1 to 10, also counting numbers by tens from 10 to 100, and counting numbers from 1 to 100. Today, I'm going to introduce counting numbers from 100 to 1000. As I state the number, please repeat after me. 100 is hyaku. Hyaku. 200 is nihyaku. 300 is sanbyaku. Take note that this red letter here indicates the change of H to B. Instead of hyaku, it will be byaku. 400 is yonhyaku. 500 is gohyaku. 600 is roppyaku. Take note again that 600 is not loku for 6, but it is roppyaku. These red letters here indicate that there is a change in the basic number 6 to loop instead of look. So 600 is roppyaku. 700 is nanahyaku. 800 is happyaku. Take note again that these red letters here indicate that there is a change of hachi to hap. So 800 is happyaku. 900 is kyūhyaku. And 1000 is sen. So let's count again from 100 to 1000 by the hundreds. Hyaku. Hyaku. Nihyaku. Nihyaku. Sanbyaku. Sanbyaku. Yonhyaku. Yonhyaku. Gohyaku. Gohyaku. Roppyaku. Roppyaku. Nanahyaku. Nanahyaku. Happyaku. Happyaku. Kyūhyaku. Kyūhyaku. Sen. Sen. This time we're going to count 1000 to 10,000 by the thousands. 1000 is sen. 2000 is nisen. 3000 is sanzen. Take note again that this red letter here indicates that there is a change in the letter from S to Z. So 3000 is sanzen. 4000 is yonsen. 5000 is gosen. 6000 is rokusen. 7000 is nanasen. 8000 is hassen. Take note again that there is a change of 8 instead of hachi. For 8000, it will become has instead of hachi. So 8000 is hassen. 9000 is kyūsen. And 10,000 is ichiman. Let's count again and repeat after me. Sen. Sen. Nisen. Sanzen. Yonsen. Gosen. rokusen, nanasen, hassen, kyūsen, ichiman. This time I'm going to introduce to you higher form of numbers. So 10,000 is ichiman, 20,000 is niman, 30,000 is sanman, 40,000 is yonman, 50,000 is goman, 60,000 is rokuman, 70,000 is nanaman, 80,000 is hyakuman, 90,000 is kyūman, and 100,000 is jūman. For 1 million, it is hyakuman. For 10 million, it's issenman. For 100 million, it's ichioku. For 1 billion, it's jūoku. For 10 billion, it's hyakuoku. For 100 billion, it's issenoku. For 1 trillion, it's ichō. And for 10 trillion, it's jucchō. Let's read them again. Please repeat after me. Niman, niman, jūman, jūman, hyakuman, hyakuman, issenman, issenman, ichioku, ichioku, jūoku, jūoku, hyakuoku, hyakuoku, issenoku, issenoku, icchō, icchō, jucchō, jucchō. I hope you've learned a lot from this video tutorial, and I hope that by this time you already know how to count numbers from 1 to 100 or can randomly state numbers in Nihongo. And please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos. And please don't forget to share and like. Until my next tutorial, bye!